If you're seeing error WS-119699-5 while trying to create a PSN account on your PS5, here are 6 steps to fix it. Step 1. Restart your console. 1. Hold the PS button on your controller. 2. Select Power, then restart PS5. 3. After the restart, try creating the account again. Step 2. Use a different email address. 1. Try using another email provider. 2. If you're using Gmail, switch to Outlook, Yahoo, or another service. 3. Some providers may not work correctly during PSN signup. Step 3. Create the account on another device. 1. Go to PlayStation.com on your phone, tablet, or computer. 2. Create a PSN account there. 3. Log in with that account on your PS5. Step 4. Connect to a mobile hotspot. 1. Turn on the hotspot on your phone. 2. On your PS5, go to settings greater than network, greater than setup internet connection. 3. Connect to the hotspot and try creating the account again. Step 5. Use a VPN. 1. If PSN isn't supported in your region, use a VPN. 2. Connect to a country where PSN is available, like the US or UK. 3. You can set up the VPN on your router or use a PC or phone hotspot. Step 6. Wait and try again. Later 1. The issue might be on Sony's end due to server problems. 2. Wait a few hours or up to 24 hours. 3. Try creating the account again later. That's it. Try these steps and you should be able to fix the error.